What's up, everyone? Today we hit a spot called Podnah's rib spot here in Portland, Oregon. Again, it's spelled Podnah's. It's not spelled how you think, but I'll put it in the bottom. Today we got the Pit Boss special. We got brisket, pulled pork, ribs, cornbread, collard greens, mac and cheese, and we got a jalapeno link. Let's see what's going on. All right, we're gonna go ahead and start out with a rib. Smoking. Let's see what we got here. They said it's fire. They told me this before they left. They said it's fire. They said everything fire. We're gonna find out. Here we go. All right, I'm down so far. With some sauce to it. I bet she's gonna set off. I taste that smoke in there. Hold on. Barbecue sauce is good. That's a real good sauce. I'm gonna smack it down like this. We got that brisket. Been trying brisket across the city. No sauce. We winning so far. We 2 for 2. 2 for 2. But I gotta try it. Smack down in that sauce. Smack down. Good God. All I need now is a sweet tea. Just a sweet tea. And I'm rolling out. All right. We've all had pulled pork. Every stadium, every city. Let's find out where Portland is at with the pulled pork. Yeah. This is the first barbecue spot I went through here. I'm digging it so far. Let me know where you like to eat for barbecue. All right.